Hi everyone. We're going to talk about pull-up progression. This will be video number 2. So last time we talked about the hollow hold and just kind of learning to have that whole hollow position so that a pull-up is just a whole lot easier instead of just using your arms. Your core is a really big part of being able to do a pull-up. So today we're going to progress that to being able to do a V-up. And basically, the V-up is sort of the opposite of the hollow hold because we kind of started here, we kind of worked our way down and was holding that position there. We're almost just going to do the opposite, and we're going to be bringing, kind of folding in the center and trying to bring the upper body and the lower body together. So you're still going to be in the hollow position, the hollow hold here, but then you're going to come up in the center. And with this, the key is trying to come up at the same time. And I will tell you, this is not easy. And it's okay if you have your knees bent a little bit, or if you really are pretty flexible hamstring wise, you can obviously do this with your legs completely straight as well. So this is going to definitely be a pretty big advancement from just doing the hollow hold. You're probably going to feel fairly uncoordinated at the beginning. It's going to take you a couple of weeks of just kind of solidly being consistent and working at it. Then you'll be able to get consistent with being able to fold up, kind of equally as far as the lower body and upper body together. But once you get that, I promise this pull-up is going to start to get much, much easier. I hope that helps.